The main purpose of man is to create, and it is hardwired into his essence. Choices of forte/adagio or dark/light are nuances used to signify a revelation of the original inspiration. Creativity transpires when the artist acts as prophet, envisioning the finished project before it is started. The artist pierces through worldly indifferences with a force that evokes contemplation and interconnectedness. In Genesis, GD comes upon a canvas desolate and empty. He creates and forms by separating and adding. He brings forth color in the green of the earth, fish and coral reefs of the ocean, and the birds of the sky. A world where there is no hope of finding oneself outside of a means of transcendence. The artist is exposed on display for the world to see his broken halo. Artist Randy Settembrino spent 5 years on an art, preservation and design project. Many guests and others exploring the Lower East Side have referred to the Blue Moon as NYC Hotel for the Arts. Find out more at www.bluemoonnick.com/.